Let's go play it. Now I'm running away because I don't care. Hold on, let me out. Let me out. Ah! It's a monster. Okay, we're gonna show you how to build a house. Nah, just kidding. I don't know what to do, to be honest. I might as well just like build something. Yeah, shut up. I got an idea. I'm gonna build a 3x3. I'll build like a 4x4 house, cause why not? I don't even care how. Or 3, 4, 5. Now 6. Now I'm not the best at this. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're almost done building this. Okay. Man, that looks like a pretty nice house. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna add some furniture. Huh? Okay, since I blew up my house for no apparent reason, we're gonna go somewhere else and then, yeah, look how big that explosion was. We're gonna go over there and we're gonna do one thing I always wanted to do. Man, I sure do love sauces, but that's all I have for today, guys. Now, make sure to hit that like button, even though this video didn't even make any sense. That's gonna, and it should say that in the title. This video did not make sense. Just blow it up. Okay, so, if you guys enjoyed it, we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.